Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janet Karwana and I'm going to show you an easy process on how to apply eyeshadow. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you like the video. And guys, this look is specifically inspired for people with hooded eyes. So guys, first thing you need is a concealer. So I'm going to use LA Pro concealer to set the eyelid. So using a damp beauty blender, dab the concealer once. This will make sure that you apply minimum concealer that will be easy to blend throughout. And don't forget to use the same concealer you used to draw the eyebrows, to clean up your eyebrows. Continue blending the concealer to get an even look. Blend, blend, and blend again. So guys, in the part of the eyes, you have the inner corner, outer corner, we have the lower eyelid, the middle eyelid, and the upper eyelid. So for the transition in shade, we start from the outer corner going towards the inner corner. So I am using Emily Secret eyeshadow, palette number A1 and palette number E3. You can use any eyeshadow you have for this. Be sure to use a fluffy brush for this process, guys. Again, apply from the outer corner going towards the inner corner and concentrate on the middle eyelid first. Another thing to note is that we're using matte eyeshadow for this look, for the transitioning shade, not shimmer or the glitter look eyeshadow. Continue blending the eyeshadow either in circular motion or horizontal motion. The fluffy brush will do the work for you. Just make sure that the work is smooth. Note that you're only concentrating on the middle eyelid, not the upper nor the lower, just the middle eyelid for the transitioning shade. So now, after working on the middle eyelid, we can now move to the upper eyelid where there's less eyeshadow on the brush. Continue spreading towards the upper eyelid. Make sure to blend, guys, to give it a smooth look. Just blend and blend again until it's become smooth. So the next thing is to concentrate on the outer corner with the dark color that we had initially used. This will give the eyeshadow a clear look on the different eyeshadow looks we are using, eyeshadow colors that we are using. First place the eyeshadow on the outer corner of the eye and then spread in circular motions towards the inner corner. So we start from the outer corner towards the inner corner, don't forget that, and then moving above towards the upper lid and then towards the lower lid. So for the lower lid, we want to do a bright color. So we are setting the lower lid with a LA Pro concealer and using a flat and sharp brush. Guys, do not apply a lot of concealer on the brush. Just use minimal concealer and tap from the middle eyelid going towards the inner corner of the lower eyelid. Just tap. And then if you want to give it a sharp look, just concentrate on where you want the final bright color to be. So guys, an important thing to note, if you have hooded eyes like me, do not apply the concealer above the lower eyelid. Just concentrate on the lower eyelid and continue tapping the concealer in that angle. So the line between the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid will guide you so that you don't go above the line. Go in with the same brush that you had applied the concealer, and today we are going to use a gold shimmer for the lower eyelid. The number for the gold shimmer in my palette is number D3. So tap on the area where you had applied the concealer. Don't go above the concealer, please. The sharp brush will give the eyeshadow a more defined look. As you can see a difference between the lower lid, the upper lid, and the outer corner. Continue tapping in the gold shimmer to your preferred length of the eyelid. So guys, to blend out everything and to make the different colors pop, go in the dark blue eyeshadow and apply it on the outer corner in circular motions. Again, you can move from the outer corner going towards the inner corner with the same dark color. So the eyeshadow look is done, and now we're going in with the eyeliner. So first, clear out the eyeliner. You don't want to use excess of it. So apply the eyeliner from the lower eyelid, moving towards the middle eyelid, and then back to the lower eyelid. And guys, if you have difficulties during this, I have a detailed eyeliner tutorial just for you. You can just check it out. So filling the space that you've left out. Don't worry about the mistakes. You can always clean out after. So hold the eyeliner horizontally and concentrate on the inner corner, moving towards the outer corner. The eyelid will guide you. So we're now going to clean out the mistake that we made earlier using the Pro Concealer. Just apply on the outer corner. In the line you want the eyeliner to look. As you can see, it's already done. And here we are not using a fluffy brush, we're just using a flat brush. So to finish the look, we're using eyeshadow number B3 for the lower eyelid. I use a fluffy brush, not a flat brush. As you can see, the brush is a bit smaller. Just concentrate on the lower eyelid or the lower eyeliner. Do the same to the next eye. So guys, we now have the final look, the final flawless look. So if you don't get this right for the first time, you can just repeat, continue, practice makes perfect. And now we're going to finish the look. No, we're not yet finished. We're going to use the mascara to brush the eyelashes, and then an eye pencil on eyeliner for the lower eyelid. And we are done. So guys, I went ahead and did the final look, the foundation and the lips. Now this is the final look. So guys, I know most of you, if not all of you, have learned a lot. I was also learning the process. Guys, like, subscribe, comment, and as usual, I'm going to reply all your comments and read them all. Bye guys, I love you. See you next time. Mwah.